Sana makuha natin. Hello.
Team is back. The enemy is banning. Your team is banning. The enemy is picking.
Sana di makuha, sana di makuha, sana di makuha. Bendeta ako, magbibendeta ako. Bendeta ako. Nakakapag-bendeta na.
Please pick a hero.
Yan. Benta natin si Bendeta ngayon. Sino kaya bibili kay Bendeta ngayon? Kamusta kaya ang magiging result ng paggamit natin kay
Enemy is picking.
Baby Bendeta? Baby Bendeta, are you sure? Marunong kang gamitin yan?
Franco. Your team is picking.
Ano? Si Franco. Ang dami ng technique na.
Layla. Bale. Barca. Your team is picking.
Pero pwede mong harapin ang isang hindi magandang araw na may magandang disposisyon. May mga bagay
Hi.
na natin dun sa mga taong kaya gawin. Marami tayong bagay na pwedeng gawin. Pero
Ang galing talaga ng mga Layla ngayon. Yan, pinili ko ng mga jungle. So, bilhin natin yan. Buti pa sa kabilang team, walang nag-jungle. Kawawa sa'yo, Mami Layla. Benta ko talaga to. Gamit si Bendeta. Number 48 ba to? Grabe, nakalimutan ko. Ang lalakas yata ng mga kalaban natin. Sana mapabuhat. Pabuhat mga sir! So gusto kong masubukan yung ano dito yung passive ni Bendeta. Yung pag napuno yung passive niya na sword. So doon may critical siya na umiikot-ikot siya. Walang video.
I rated
PG, patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay
So
kailangan
medyo
sa mga batang manlalaki.
pahihirapan ako ng kalaban kasi ang ganda ng lineup nila. Sana marunong ako maging Vendetta. Benedetta.
Pares kontra pares. Labanan ng busisang pandalawahan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
So, first team, ganito natin ang
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Ano ba nga?
Smash them! All troops deployed!
So, doon sa sa advanced server, yung first kill ni Benedetta is na-charge. So, dito sa ang gagaling talaga nila. All mid.
Initiate retreat!
Mag all mid sila, napakagaling.
Request backup!
Kings of the Manian Empire
Tingnan
know
natin
nothing.
ito. Ang passive niya.
The flowers will bloom again.
Ito, lalaki ba ito si Benedetta? O babae? Yung boses niya parang parang babae.
Every new day is worth celebrating in this
Initiate retreat!
Nice, Zilong. Zilong ka talaga. Ang lupit mo.
Am I a demon hunter
Ang
or a
lupit-lupit
justice
mo,
yard?
Zilong.
Request backup!
So yung first kill niya, pwede natin gamitin yung pandodge.
Manners? There's no place for manners.
Initiate retreat!
So kung binigay kasi sa akin yung red dot, dapat to
Am I a
level 2 na
demon hunter
tayo.
or a justice yard?
Launch attack!
So buhin ko muna itong jungle.
Initiate retreat!
After na ito, plano ko, i-demon hunter ko to para sa attack speed.
Every new day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
Yung wala ng tata, pambira.
The darkness gathers.
Initiate retreat!
Kuhain ko muna ito yung
Manners?
sali ako dun. So yun, may level 4 na tayo. Try natin yung
Flowers will bloom again.
magaling tayo magamit ng Benedetta. Free, si Benedetta,
The darkness gathers.
free hero to. Binigay ito pagka naglaging ka within 7 days.
Request backup! Turtle resurrecting soon!
Yun, nataglaklakan na dyan.
Initiate retreat!
Manners? There's no place for manners in battle.
Pwede yung pandad
Kings of the
first
Manian
yun.
Empire know nothing.
So move speed, iwo tayong cooldown para doon sa amin kasi mukhang masakit na niya. So ito.
To the ones who live on the edge.
Ala!
Let's dance to play!
Uy, nakalsa na tayo mga guys. Samba. So
The
kunin ko na
darkness
to, turtle,
gathers.
pagkakataon na to.
The light of day.
Request turret has been destroyed!
To the ones who live on the edge. Every dawn is a new
An
beginning.
ally has slain! An enemy has been slain! Launch
Ano po,
attack!
ikot-ikot lang, rotation lang tayo muna.
Our turret is under attack! Has been slain!
So sayang gold, kaya natin ito. So push na. Diretso na to guys.
Our turret has been destroyed! An ally has been slain!
Ayan. So sa attack, buo ko ng Hypnosis muna. After na ito, Demon Hunter na para
Our
sa
inhibitor turret is
top
under
natin,
attack.
durog na. Ayaw nila mag-lane, hindi ako mag-lane. Sige, assassin ako eh. Kung gusto nila yan, di tuloy-tuloy nila yan. Ayaw ko mag-top. Yun ang mahirap kasi. Hanggat
The darkness gathers.
bida-bida kasi mga kampi niya. Mapa daw. Wala, ayaw mag-laning kayo. Kanina, all me.
Manners. There's no place for manners.
Diba? Very good talaga.
Launch attack! Our turret has been destroyed. You destroyed the turret! An enemy has been slain!
So yun, nakadalawa na tayo dun. Kuhain natin yung red dot
Our
na.
turret is under
Today
attack!
we're celebrating in this cursed
Push na rin natin ito. Sila eh.
kings of the Manian Empire know nothing of honesty.
Your team destroyed the turret!
Wala.
Darkness gathers.
Mulak.
The light of day fades.
An enemy has been slain!
Grabe naman to sila.
Turtle resurrecting soon!
Manners. There's no place for manners in battle.
Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat!
One day.
Killing spree! You have been
Galing, galing,
slain.
galing.
Bury me at the foot of the mountain.
Initiate retreat!
Ang lupit mo, Layla.
Watching.
Initiate retreat! Request backup!
Man ay uuwi. Princess and Kyle, bilang mga hinamon
Kansira ng
Your
puso.
team
Kaya
destroyed the
mahirap sa
turret!
Epic yung mga naglalaro.
The darkness
Kasi
gathers.
hindi sila
as the
marunong,
light of day
hindi na nga
fades.
sila marunong mag-adjust. Aagawan ka pa ng buff. Kawawa sa inyo.
One day, the flowers
Request
will
back!
bloom
Initiate retreat!
in the barren land.
Launch attack!
Nice.
Initiate retreat! That's the
Kings of the
play!
Manian Empire.
You have slain an enemy!
Nakapunta, tapong
Launch
basura.
attack!
Tapong
Shut
basura.
down! Request back!
Every new day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
Shut down!
Gusto na to,
Initiate
boy.
retreat!
Grabe kayo, boy. Isang gusto nyo, boy. Kaya.
Initiate retreat!
Boy, nag-aabay zilo. Tanga.
Our turret is under attack! Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat!
Am I a demon hunter or just a
You have slain an enemy!
Grabe ka, par. Sa galit na galit. Binaligtad mo si Vendetta. Kawawa sa'yo. After na ito, bubuo.
Initiate retreat!
So let's see kung ano ang magiging twin swings na lang siya. Twin swings ko na lang to guys. Okay lang ba? Practice ng Vendetta eh, no? Makikita natin dito eh, no? Wala tayong back kawawa.
to the one who
Initiate
live on the
retreat!
edge?
So 3-2
Every
standing
dawn is a
natin.
new beginning.
So ilang beses na namatay.
An
Gawa
enemy has been
ng
slain! Initiate
tayo.
retreat!
so yeah. Last.
Launch attack!
Okay, kuha na natin.
Manners? There's no place for
Your
manners.
team destroyed a
So
turret!
marunong naman sila lahat guys eh. Kaya natin yung kaya natin mag-load.
The kings of the Manian Empire know nothing.
Vendetta. Parang hindi ah. nga.
Executed.
Hindi. Hindi niya kaya mag-lord.
I'll be
Kawawa.
watching.
So, wala kasi tayong live stream doon. Tanga po. Sorry. Babawi na lang ako sa inyo, Porsche.
Initiate retreat.
Sorry na, wag na kayo
Ally
magalit.
has been slain. Our turret has been
Tinatry ko lang
destroyed.
kasi
Is
kung
under
pwede.
attack. Our turret is under attack.
Worth celebrating.
Grabe
Our
kayo mga
turret is
kapatid.
under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
No. SOS.
Shut down. Launch
Grabe,
attack.
menyok. Menyok, boy. Puro KS. Kawawa sa inyo, boy.
Launch attack.
Maganda rin siguro siyang i-bloodless para sa lifestyle kasi yung unlimited speed, oh. Ang bilis.
Manners? There's no place for manners.
Your team destroyed the turret. Attack.
The
Pwede na.
darkness
Hindi na tayo
gathers
ng ano.
as the light of day fades.
Sakit pala nito.
Kings of the Manian Empire know nothing.
Initiate retreat.
The darkness gathers as the light of day.
Naglulord kayo. Ito yung dami.
An ally has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Double kill.
Manners? There's no place for manners in battle.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Ayaw nilang mag-load. Bakit kaya? So, BOD. BOD tayo, BOD.
Initiate retreat.
Muling tanggapin.
The darkness gathers as the light of day fades.
Initiate retreat.
Am I a demon hunter or a justiciar? Ha!
Agaw pa ba?
Launch attack.
At the Lord. Silip na kayo sa Lord doon. Grabe kayo, boy.
Every new day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
An ally has slain Lord. An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
No.
Shut down. Double kill. An enemy
boy.
has been slain. Launch
Puro sila
attack.
KS, boy. Ang lupit mo.
Launch attack.
Ang lupit. So ito pag naka-BOD tayo dito, kakatayin ko na tong mga to. So let's check ano ba yung mga items. Si Franco naka-hypnosis, naka-more and critical. Si ano pala, zero pala yung nakita ko, sorry. Oracle, critical. Sakit na rin pala ni ano.
Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret.
Vendetta.
An ally has been
May
slain.
nagyayaya sa ating kaibigan na
Initiate retreat.
Worry about the
Smurf down.
Jessica could reach it, si Renz then. When you do a duet, it's a totally different
Gamit
Your
Smurf.
team destroyed a turret.
Kawain na natin yan. Kawain na natin mga back nila.
The darkness gathers as the light of day fades.
super fantastic. Kasi bagay
Vendetta is real. Vendetta is real. Huwag niyo mo lang tapusin. Grabe kayo, boy. Hindi ko pa nga na-enjoy yung ano ko.
Every
Hero
new
ko.
day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
Initiate retreat.
Punta tayo sa Blue Bap.
Manners? There's no place for
Blue Bap.
manners.
Huwag mo lang tapusin. Pa-savage naman. Grabe naman kayo. Napakadami.
Am I a demon hunter or a justice yard?
Sobo tayo na ito. Mentality.
An enemy has been
Pagsamangki tayo
slain.
mamaya.
Initiate
One to live
retreat.
on the edge. Every dawn
Sabi ko,
is a new
si
beginning.
Mia. Nahil si Mia.
Initiate
Mia,
retreat.
Mia. Ayu. Mia, Mia.
Our inhibitor
Yes,
tower is
Mama.
under attack.
Manners? There's no place for
Hello,
manners.
run, Mia, run.
Back up.
Run, Mia.
Ally has been slain.
Hindi mo
Initiate
nang
launch
tapusin.
retreat.
Pambira kayo.
Launch
Pasabage
attack.
muna, please. Pasabage.
Every new day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
Initiate retreat.
Retreat.
Initiate retreat.
Retreat, please.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Hilahin nyo, hilahin mo. Hilahin mo, Ruben.
Initiate retreat.
Attack the slave!
Boy, nasa ka na,
Attack
boy.
the slave!
Ayup ka.
You have slain an enemy.
Ayup, ayup ka. Ayup.
Initiate retreat. Launch
Hindi
attack.
mo na tapusin. Huwag, please. Hindi mo na tapusin.
Enemy killing spree. Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Tapusin ko na nga.
Launch attack. Resurrecting soon.
natin.
Initiate.
Ay, mali. Mali yung spell.
Am I a demon hunter or a justice yard? One day, the flowers will bloom again in the barren land.
Request backup.
The darkness gathers.
Initiate retreat.
Attack the
You
slave!
have slain an enemy. Initiate attack.
Manners? There's no place for manners.
Tingnan mo. Ay! Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan panigi ka. Hayop ka.
Initiate retreat.
So, benta ko na to. Bili ako ng ba magandang buwin.
Launch attack.
Ito, butang critical.
Request backup.
Ay, maganda. Charlotte Phantom na lang. Ano ba mga nasa live sila.
An ally has been slain. Request backup. Enemy double kill. Initiate retreat. The enemy has slain Lord. Enemy ramp. Initiate retreat.
Kings of the Manian Empire know nothing of honesty.
Sa talo. Pasabage nga eh. Ito naman, grabe kayo eh.
An enemy has been
Boss lakas
slain.
ng ruby natin eh. Yun. Kaya kamay mga loko-loko.
Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed.
Grabe, boy. Nabuo na natin yung hunter strike natin. So, dep muna tayo. Dep. Hop.
Launch attack. Enemy rampage. Shut
Ay,
down.
gagi. Ba't ito yung
Initiate
ilong?
retreat. Launch attack.
Am I a demon hunter or a justice star?
Ay, pusik na.
Bury me at the foot of
Wala, di ako marunong mag-benedetta.
Initiate retreat.
Poop.
Request backup. An enemy has been slain.
Ang ganda, ganda, ganda. Gagaling ng mga ulti ko. Ang
Our
lalakas
inhibitor
nila,
turret is
grabe.
under attack.
Ay, full
Initiate
stop.
retreat.
Shit, tap. Ay, bot namin.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Tignan natin, tignan natin. Ito yung defense talaga. It's time to mortality. Dito natin mamaya yung ano, jungle.
Launch attack.
every new day is worth celebrating in this
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
kings of the Manian Empire know
Report nila
nothing
yata
of
ako.
honesty.
Form pa.
Am I a demon hunter or a justice yar?
Initiate retreat.
Pupush ka na to, boy. Baka matalo pa kami, boy. Sayang star. Sayang effort. Pushing, tapushing, tapushing,
Shut down.
pushing, tapushing.
Every new day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
Nice game, guys. Nice game. Nice game. Nice game. Oh, sorry. Ano mo, masyado naman kasi nagagalit sila. Okay, guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna. May na tayo man trash talk.